Hello everyone, welcome to this session on previous year question paper discussion. This is the second session on this particular series wherein we are going to discuss question numbers 6 to 10 of UPSC's 2023 prelims question paper. Let's start with the very first question. Ilmenite and rutile, abundantly available in certain coastal tracts of India, are rich sources of which of the following minerals? There are four options available here: aluminium, copper, iron and titanium. UPSC can ask questions wherein they can probe into your understanding as to what are the various ores which are out there, and particularly the rare earth metals are UPSC's target. So let's try and find out the answer to this question: ilmenite and rutile. Understand this, these are both the raw materials. These are both raw materials associated with titanium. D is the correct answer. They are both heavy minerals and commonly found in beach sand deposits and the coastal region, along the coastal regions of India. Ilmenite has the chemical representation as FeOTiO2. Please remember the formulas as well, they might be asked, as well as rutile is represented as TiO2, and they are both abundant in titanium content. Titanium is a rare earth metal which is basically associated with these two terms. Titanium dioxide serves as the primary constituent in both of these minerals. Their industrial importance is substantial. They are used in the manufacturing of titanium dioxide pigments. Apart from that, various aerospace and industrial uses are also associated with ilmenite and rutile. These are very important minerals. What are heavy metals? These are dense metallic elements or compounds which are characterized by their high atomic number and high atomic density. And this beach sand deposits and heavy mineral sands, these heavy metals typically encompass minerals such as ilmenite, rutile. For future reference, please remember zircon, leucozine, that is brown ilmenite, sillimanite, garnet, as well as monazite. India has a substantial deposit of monazite. There is a specific place called monazite sands in Kerala, wherein these deposits are seen. These minerals are concentrated in such deposits due to their heavy weight as well as high density. Please remember this. In India, where are these deposits primarily located? You can understand that they are located along the country's coastal stretches as well as in inland places. Also, there are 5 distinct coastline zones wherein ilmenite and rutile deposits are found. What are these? Chavara deposits in Kerala, MK deposits in Tamil Nadu, Oscom deposit in Odisha, then there is Brahmangiri deposit in Odisha once again, and Bhavanapadu coast in the Andhra Pradesh. So these are the prominent areas wherein you will find ilmenite and rutile deposits which are associated with titanium. A potential question can also be asked in 2024 and subsequent prelims on these rare earth metals. Let's start with the next question. About 3/4 of the world's cobalt, another metal, important metal, which is required for the manufacture of batteries. This is in news because lithium-ion batteries are very much in news these days. And this is used for electric motors, is produced by which country? 3/4 of the world's cobalt. Options are Argentina, Botswana, Democratic Republic of Congo, last but not the least, Kazakhstan. The correct answer to this question is DRC, a country in Central Africa. Democratic Republic of Congo has 3/4 of the world's cobalt, which is a metal required for manufacture of lithium-ion batteries. That is why it has been in the news of late. Let's learn more about cobalt. Approximately 3/4 of the world's cobalt, which is essential for the production of batteries, is used in electric motor vehicles. It originates from the Democratic Republic of Congo. The DRC stands as a significant global cobalt producer with substantial cobalt reserves and thus holds a very pivotal role in the electric vehicle battery supply chain. Why? Because the government has been pushing this particular electric vehicles through the National Electric Mobility Plan, and cobalt is going to be a very important metal in this regard. DRC is a country which holds a lot of cobalt. Cobalt is a silvery white metal and finds extensive application across various industries. What are these? Battery manufacturing, magnet manufacturing and alloy production, and alongside is used in various catalysts and pigments. Typically it occurs along metals like copper as well as nickel. Cobalt is extracted as a byproduct, please remember this, during the mining and processing of metals like copper and nickel. In India, substantial cobalt resources are present primarily in the state of Odisha. So which is the major producer of cobalt in India? Answer is Odisha. However, cobalt production within India is almost non-existent. The estimated cobalt reserves approximately amount to 44.91 million tons, primarily located in Odisha, with some reserves in Jharkhand as well as Nagaland. A potential question lies in these particular statements. Probably they might ask next here as to where the majority of cobalt reserves lie in India. Although as far as the production of cobalt is concerned, it is almost non-existent. India's government has also expressed interest in harnessing these resources to meet the burgeoning demand of cobalt domestically. Given cobalt's crucial role in the lithium-ion batteries, which are very pivotal for electric vehicles and renewable energy, India aims to position itself as a significant player in the electric vehicles market. Consequently, developing its cobalt resources, it emerges as an imperative for India to realize this particular ambition. We will have to tap onto our cobalt resources if we want to have a greater say in the electric vehicle manufacturing supply chain. This is the answer to the 7th question. Let's start with the next one. The question is, which of the following is a part of the Congo Basin? Options are Cameroon, Nigeria, South Sudan, Uganda. All these are African countries. The correct answer to this is Cameroon. Cameroon is a country which is part of the Congo Basin. Let's learn this in detail. Cameroon is situated within the expansive Congo Basin. We'll try and find it out through the diagram subsequently. And this is a region in Central Africa that spans multiple countries. Congo Basin basically is a basin which is associated with the Congo River. From wherever Congo River moves on, that is going to be considered as the basin of Congo. This is home to the significant geographical features, and this is ranked as world's second largest river basin after the Amazon, which is located in South America. Covering over 1.3 million square kilometers, square miles, that is 3.4 million square kilometers, it encompasses vast territories including majority of the Republic of Congo, the DRC, that is Democratic Republic of Congo. These are two different countries. Then comes the Central African Republic, and then comes the parts of Cameroon and various regions in neighboring countries such as Angola, Zambia, as well as Tanzania. These are all the countries which are located in the Congo Basin. The countries which are entirely or partially located within the Congo Basin include Angola, Gabon, Burundi, Cameroon, Central African Republic, the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Republic of Congo, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Zambia. These are all African countries. Please try and remember the names of these countries. This is the Congo Basin, wherein the Congo River is very, very important. And herein lies our country, the answer to our question, Cameroon. There is Equatorial Guinea, there is Gabon, then there is Republic of Congo, which has its capital in Brazzaville. Then there is the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. So please remember, there are two questions which have been asked from this particular country, which have a reference to Democratic Republic of Congo and which were asked in last year's paper. So try and understand the significance of Africa. If you look at this question paper closely, you will find that there are around 5 questions which are associated directly or indirectly with Africa. Africa has always been on UPSC's radar. If you look at the previous 3-4 question papers, you'll find that every year there are around 3 to 4 questions exclusively asked from the geography, from the various facets of Africa. So please cover Africa in extensive detail. Next question. Consider the following statements. Amarkantak Hills are at the confluence of Vindhya and Sahyadri ranges. Biligiri Rangan Hills constitute the easternmost part of Satpura range. Sheshchalam Hills, which are in Andhra Pradesh, constitute the southernmost part of Western Ghats. All these 3 statements are wrong. We'll find out as to how. The correct answer is D, that is none. First, Amarkantak Hills. Amarkantak is a very prominent pilgrimage site located in Madhya Pradesh, and this is located in the Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh. It is renowned as the origin of the Narmada River. Apart from that, Mahanadi as well as the Son River are originating from Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh, wherein the Amarkantak Hills lie. It is located in the southeastern Madhya Pradesh and boasts of very rich biodiversity, including diverse flora as well as fauna. Additionally, it is also a part of the Achanak Mar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to a variety of wildlife species such as tigers, leopards, as well as numerous bird species. So statement 1 is going to be incorrect because Sahyadri Hills and Amarkantak are far away from each other. Sahyadri is basically located in Maharashtra. Biligiri Rangan Hills, second part. These hills are situated in the Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka. Please remember, and not as a part of the Satpura range, because Satpura range is located in Madhya Pradesh. Instead, they belong to the Eastern Ghat mountain ranges, the Biligiri Rangan Hills. The name translates to white hills in Kannada, and it aptly describes their appearance when viewed from a distance. They look white. The region features hills, valleys, as well as dense forests, and provide a habitat to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including elephants, because Karnataka has a significant population of elephant, the highest. The tigers, leopards, sloth bears are also found, as well as various deer species. Notably, the Billigiri Rangan Hills are renowned for their significant Asian elephant population. That is why it is also important. UPSC has already asked a question in 2022 on elephants as well. So statement 2 is incorrect. This is also incorrect. Now let's come to the third one. Sheshchalam Hills. The Sheshchalam Hills are located in the Tirumala range and are hill ranges situated within the Eastern Ghats located in southern Andhra Pradesh. Please remember this. They are bounded by the Rayalaseema uplands in the west and northwards and Nandyal Valley in the northeast, and these hills feature dense forests, rocky cliffs as well as valleys. They are also associated with attractions like Talakona waterfall, which is one of the highest waterfalls in Andhra Pradesh. Please remember, this is a potential question. Talakona waterfalls are the highest waterfalls in Andhra Pradesh. They are also situated within the Sri Venkateshwar National Park. Additionally, the Nagalapuram waterfalls are a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and trackers. That is why the Sheshchalam Hills are located in Andhra Pradesh, and third statement also basically is wrong. Therefore, option D is the correct answer, that is none. None of those statements is correct. I hope this sums up the ninth question. Last question for the day. With reference to India's projects on connectivity, consider the following statements. Please remember, this is a theme which UPSC has recently started asking. I am expecting that there is going to be a question this year as well on this particular theme as to the connectivity, various important connectivity projects associated with India. First is the East-West corridor under Golden Quadrilateral project connects Dibrugarh and Surat. This statement is wrong. 3 trilateral highways connect Moreh in Manipur and Chiang Mai in Thailand via Myanmar. This is wrong only because of this, Chiang Mai. We'll discuss this later. Third is Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor connects Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh with Kunming in China. This also is wrong. The correct answer to this particular question is D, that is none. None of these statements are correct. We'll discuss the explanation. First, the Golden Quadrilateral project. It is a very important initiative in India focused on highway development. There are numerous highways which are to be constructed via this particular Golden Quadrilateral project, and they are going to connect important countries important metropolitan centers like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai as well as Kolkata, the 4 big metropolises. As a component of this endeavor, there is one east-west corridor as well which serves to connect Silchar in Assam with Porbandar in Gujarat. Therefore, it's inaccurate that statement 1 is correct. It is a wrong statement. Why? Because it is talking about Dibrugarh in Assam and Surat in Gujarat. That is not the case. It is Silchar in Assam, whereas it is Porbandar in Gujarat. This is the Golden Quadrilateral, wherein one line is going to connect from north to south, and there is another east-west corridor connecting from east to west. Next, the second statement. The India-Myanmar-Thailand Trilateral Highway is a significant regional connectivity initiative aimed at establishing a road ring between India, Myanmar as well as Thailand, IMT, and this expands approximately 1,300 kilometers, which is a very ambitious project which is going to connect 3 major countries, India, Myanmar as well as Thailand. And finally, it is going to start from Moreh in Manipur, which is there in the question, but it is not going to end in Chiang Mai. It is rather going to end in Mysore of Thailand. That is why that entire statement is going to go wrong. The project was proposed by former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and it received its approval at a ministerial level between India, Myanmar and Thailand in April 2002. So this is quite a project which has been on the works since the last 20 years. The construction began in 2012 and it is being carried out in phases, with India-Myanmar Friendship Road serving as the initial segment, and finally it is going to also connect Moreh to Kalamyo and Kaleva. The implementation of the project involves collaboration between the Ministry of External Affairs, this is one ministry which is going to be a part of it, and its counterparts between Myanmar and Thailand, and budgetary allocation from the Ministry of Finance is also going to be there. So India, Myanmar, Thailand Trilateral Highway. Please remember, it is not going to connect Chiang Mai, it is rather going to connect the city of Mysore in Thailand. That is why the second statement is wrong. This is the connectivity project. It starts somewhere in Moreh around Manipur, then it will entirely bypass the country of Myanmar, and finally in Mysore region of Thailand, this is going to be culminating. Last statement, the Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic connectivity corridor. This is a very important corridor to bolster economic cooperation and trade among the 3 countries, Bangladesh, China, India as well as Myanmar. 4 countries in total, BCIM. This is envisioned to span from Kunming in China. This is there in the statement, but it is not going to basically end in Varanasi, but rather in Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal in India. It is going to traverse through Myanmar and Bangladesh and finally culminate in Kolkata in India. That is why the third statement is incorrect, because it's written Varanasi there, but the correct answer is Kolkata. Hence, the third statement also is incorrect. None of those statements are correct. So this solves the question number 10. Please remember, connectivity projects is a theme which UPSC is going to continue again in the future as well. They are going to ask questions associated with important cities in various countries. I hope this was a fruitful session. I'm going to come again with the subsequent questions. We are going to discuss the other 90 questions as well. And thank you so much. Have a good day.